All right, y'all, what is going on? It is Q Trades back with another video for the channel. I know it's been a little bit now. I was moving into the new place, setting everything up, but I'm finally back. I got the office set up. I'm ready to do these videos. I'm ready to get back to trading. I hope everybody has been good. In this video, I basically just want to break down a live trade that I took on S&P 500 or ES. This trade was taken in the late afternoon session of New York. I find that there's a little bit of volatility that comes in the market around like 1:30, 2 o'clock, or maybe even 3 o'clock in the afternoon Eastern Standard Time. I've been backtesting this for a while, and the last 2 or 3 trades I've taken in the afternoon session of New York have all been successful. So I'm going to start implementing it more into my strategy. And it's another kill zone that I'm going to be looking to take trades in. But I basically just want to share this video to you. I'm also going to do a voiceover breakdown of the trade that I took. It wasn't really too much, you guys, nothing crazy. Just about a 1 to 1.8 risk to reward ratio. We made about $700 plus on it. Trading the Top Step account right now, but I really just want to break the trade down so everybody gets a better understanding. And I just find it fun, so I really just want to do it for you guys to provide some value. If you get any value from this video, you guys, please hit the subscribe button. We are trying hard to grow this channel. I might go live one day with these trades, who knows, but until then, we're just going to be doing these live trade reviews. All I trade is ES, so this is pretty much going to be all ES, all futures. But yeah, without further ado, we're going to break this video down, so stay tuned.
All right, here you go, you guys. We're right here. We got the video playing out. On the right side I have the 4-hour time frame, and on the left I have the 3-minute time frame. Right here I'm basically just looking for a 3-minute break of structure so I can go ahead and go short off of the 1-hour imbalance that I have pointed out on the left side. You can kind of see that box, that white box with the purple outline right there. I was talking about how I wanted to see that 3-minute higher low purge, which I see right here. So now I'm going short. I'm risking about 4 points on this entry. That big green box that you see on the bottom of the left screen, or on the left side of the screen, I guess you could say, that is the 4-hour imbalance. You can see it on the right side of the screen too as well, on the very bottom. But basically going for that 4-hour imbalance that I see to look for any more upside momentum. Until then, I was thinking we were only going to see bearish momentum, and I was correct about that. So we're gonna let this one play out. You guys will see how this one works out. You can see that little box that I pointed out on the right below my stop loss right there on the left side of the screen. You guys can see, actually you can see it better on the right side, because on the right side now I have the 1-minute time frame. So that's basically just like a little imbalance that I saw. You see right now I'm going into some drawdown here. And I sped this video up by about, I think it was 4 or 5 times, just so the video wouldn't stretch out to 20 more minutes. You guys can see what time it is too. It's almost 2 o'clock in the late afternoon New York session. So you guys can see right here that price went against me and stopped me out on the lower time frame. Right here I'm just kind of remapping my entry to see how I want to get in. I'm basically just pointing out that 5-minute swing higher low right there, how I'm expecting that to be broken off of that 1-hour imbalance. Price is also respecting the and I'm getting ready to point it out right now. Actually, I'm just gonna wait until I point it out before I even say anything. And I do apologize that my chart is not the cleanest. I really didn't go ahead and clean the chart up before I started the video. And part of the reason why I did not do so is because I wanted to go back and journal some of my successful trades that I took in the late afternoon New York session. I'm really starting to like the late afternoon New York session. It's definitely going to be one of my kill zones from now on. So you guys can see right there, I took a loss. That was a $400 loss right there. But I was not fazed by it because I was noticing that price was going towards that breaking that 5-minute swing higher low and making a 5-minute market structure shift. Right there you can see that price is respecting the 1 hour imbalance to the downside, so it's a bearish imbalance on the 1 hour. In a second you're gonna see how price is respecting it and how it was really wicking on the 1 hour time frame. As you can see, the 1 hour candle just closed, so you can see the 1 hour candle, the previous 1 hour candle closed with a very nice wick. You can see that the wick is well below the 1 hour imbalance, so that's a very nice close for me. I noticed that close, and I noticed you know, price right now I'm just pointing out that price was not able to make a swing higher low, or I'm sorry, a swing higher high right there. So that previous 5-minute swing high was not able to be broken. You guys can see that price is getting ready to make that 5-minute break of structure and market structure shift. Right here I'm noticing that the 1 hour imbalance is respecting nicely. You guys can see that 5-minute market structure shift happening right now. And then I went ahead and I made my entry right there. I just pointed out a 1 minute imbalance right there. That imbalance didn't even get touched. Price had a very bearish reaction to that 1 hour imbalance. You guys can see right here that we are filling that imbalance and we are trading back to the downside. And I'm aiming for that low and the top of that 4 hour imbalance, which is that that green box down below that I was telling you about earlier. So that green area. Price was moving rather quickly. You guys can see 2 o'clock, it really brings some volatility into the markets as price went ahead and purged that that 30-minute and 1 hour lower low. And I went ahead and secured some profits. We secured a little bit over $700. So yeah, you guys, so I'm completely out. All contracts were flattened or closed, so I'm not running any more positions, as you can see. But yeah, that was the trade, you guys. If you guys really enjoyed this content, please hit the subscribe button. I'm going to be dropping a lot more videos on the channel. And yeah, I have a free trading group. We drop trades like this in the free trading group. So if you want to join the free trading group, I'll leave links for that below as well. We would love to have you. But yeah, that's it, you guys. I'm gonna be dropping a video real soon, so stay tuned and safe trading, you guys. Y'all have a good one. I'll see you next time.